Hey you guys, so I'm back at it with you all on taking you guys with me on trading the process. Okay, so today's video I want to walk you through two trades I took. One on gold that worked beautifully as you see, and one on silver that did not go accordingly to plan, and that's okay because that's what comes with the process. And if you've ever thought, wait, why did one win and the other one lose if the setup looks similar? This video is for you. So yeah, let's hop into it. First thing first, I want to say this. Losing a trade does not mean you were wrong, and winning a trade doesn't mean you were lucky either. Trading is about reading who's in control, buyers or sellers, and then managing risk when you take your shot. Okay, so let's start with gold because this is a trade that played out exactly how it was supposed to. On gold, price was still respecting the overall bullish trend. Like it's been trending for a minute now. As you see, its price is steady pushing up. Price been pushing up, pushing up beautifully. And even though price pulls back at certain key levels, it's still showing it's in a bullish uptrend. So you want to trade with the trend, not against the trend. Think of it like this. Imagine price is walking upstairs, right? Sometimes it pauses, sometimes it steps back. But as long as it keeps making higher steps, the direction hasn't changed. And so the trade that I took, as you see, gold pulled back into a clean demand area while still respecting higher highs, higher high, higher low, higher highs, right? So buyers defended the zone. This is my zone right here. This is my demand zone. Buyers defended the zone, and I entered on this candle. Hold on. I entered after this candle closed right here. After that candle closed, that was my entry, right? And price, as you see, pushed even higher, creating higher highs. As you see, buyers defended the zone and momentum held. That was a beautiful trade, like OMG. And this was one of the moments where patient pays. It was no forcing, no chasing, just waiting for price to come to my level. Now, let's talk about silver. I want to really be honest about this one, right? The setup itself wasn't random or careless. Price actually closed slightly above. It did. It closed slightly above right here, as you see. Above the previous high, which this right here was the previous high. And that does matter, right? Because it shows buyers were at least attempting to step back in. But from a technical perspective, that gave the trade itself some valid points, but it wasn't that, I guess. I mean, because it was a valid entry. But here was the issue, right? So even though that candle, this candle right here closed above the level, there still wasn't enough follow through afterwards for me to just enter the trade, right? Just to be honest. So the higher time frame structure was already weakening, as you see. We're gonna go to the hour. Yep, as you see on the hour time frame, it was really weak. It was mad weak. Let's go to the 4 hour. Not so much, but the hour, as you clearly can see, it was, yeah, it was weak. But yeah, the higher time frame structure was already weakening, and instead of waiting for a stronger momentum, I FOMO into the trade. I enter a bit too early. I mean, if I'm being real, I'm just be real with y'all. I did. I really FOMO'd this trade. And I FOMO into it like I was panicking that I was going to miss the trade. But, you know, that quiet feeling of not wanting to miss the move, like, it be like that sometimes. And as you see, what ended up happening is sellers absorbed the push. Yeah, they did. They absorbed the push. Buyers didn't commit the way they needed to. The level fell, and sellers took control quickly. So the lesson here isn't that the idea was bad. It's that it's a valid setup. You know, the setup was there. It's just I just needed to be a bit more disciplined, executed. But yeah, you know, a good setup taken with FOMO is still a losing trade. So yeah, that's how that played out for me. And yeah, that's the 2 videos I have for you today. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate you all. And if you guys would like for me to talk about something specific in general, just drop a comment in the comment section. Other than that, bye you guys.